Kids, now we will do chapter 10 of English grammar from the book. We will do the exercise of the same chapter. Okay, so this is the practice time and this is on page number 55. Look at the pictures and write the correct doing word below. Each of them choose from the help box. Dear kids, here pictures are there. Okay, you have to identify the picture. Okay, what you have to write? You have to write the correct doing word. ये जो भी आपको दिए हुए हैं पिक्चर्स में ये क्या कर रहे हैं, that activity you have to write. And for your help beta, help box is given. And in the help box, dance, bark, run, cook, play, swim, sing, eat, climb. These words are given. Dance means everybody know, नाचना. Bark means dog, bark na, भौंकना. That is run. Run means running करना. Cook means your mother cook food for you na. Next is play. Play means everybody know. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Sing means singing a song or something. Eat. Eat means khana and climb means chad. So let us start. Here 9 pictures are there. Let us start from the first. What the girl is doing? Yes, she is running na. So what you will write? You will search from here. Run. R-U-N. Run. Next picture is of a dog. And what the dog is doing? Dog is barking. So what you will write, my dear kid? Bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Third one. There are 2 boys na? And boys are playing with football. So they are playing. So what you will write? Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Fourth is the picture of a lady and the lady is cooking the food. है ना? So what you will write here beta? Cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. Fifth one. 2 girls are there and what they are doing? Yes, tell me. Dancing. Both are dancing na? So what you will write here? Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. Sixth one. One girl is there and she is holding the mic. And what she is doing? Yes, she is singing. So what you will write here? Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Seventh is the picture of a boy. And boy is in water. है ना? In swimming pool we can say. And what he is doing? He is swimming. So what you will write? Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Eighth is a picture of a boy and what he is doing? He is climbing the stairs. है ना? So what you will write? Climb. Chadna. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Ninth is the picture of a monkey and what monkey is doing? See carefully. Yes. Monkey is eating the banana. So what? Eating. So what you will write? Eat. Is given here. E-A-T. Eat. Now turn to next page. Page number 56. And here B part is there. Circle all the doing words. Here some words are given to you, my dear kids. You have to read the words and you have to identify the doing words. And after identifying the doing words, you have to circle. Okay, so let us start from here. First one is play. Play means khelna. Play is doing word na? Yes, so circle it. Breakfast. Breakfast. Okay, this is not doing. Dear kids, next word is breakfast. Breakfast is a doing word. So we will circle on breakfast. Pencil. Pencil is a name of a thing. It comes under noun. So we will not circle it. Run. Run means running karna. It is a doing word. So we will circle on run. Next is football. Football is a noun, not a doing word. Doctor. Doctor is again Name of a person we can say this comes under noun, not under doing words. Walk means work is done here ना कि walk कर रहा है, so we'll circle on walk. Look देखना, so यहाँ भी work हो रहा है, so we will circle on look. Next is she is a pronoun, not the doing words or the verb. Eat means to eat something, this is doing word, so we'll circle on eat. Rohan is a name of a person, it comes under noun, not under the doing words. Next, book is a name of a thing, so it comes under noun, not under doing words. Sleep yes, sleeping means work is done here कि वो sleep कर रहे हैं, so you will circle on sleep. Classroom is again noun, will not circle on it. Write means लिखना, यहाँ पे work is done is writing, so you will circle on write. Nurse is a noun, है ना, name of a person, we can say it come under noun, so will not circle on it. C, fill in the blanks with the doing words, choose from the help box. हेल्प बॉक्स इज गिवन माय डियर किड्स, आपको यहाँ से करेक्ट डूइंग वर्ड चूज करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन पिक्चर एंड देन यू हैव टू फिल हियर. फर्स्ट वन इज द सन डैश, सी इन द पिक्चर द सन शाइन्स, यू विल राइट शाइन्स, SHINES, शाइन्स मीन्स सन जो है वो चमक रहा है, शाइन कर रहा है. सेकेंड, द चिल्ड्रन डैश आइसक्रीम, चिल्ड्रन ईटिंग ना, so what you will write, eat, खा रहे हो, the children eat ice cream. Next is third, I dash to school every day, I go to है ना, go जाना, I go to school every day. Fourth is my mother dash food for me, what mother is doing, cooking ना, my mother cooks food for me. Next is fifth, the frog dash into the water, see the picture, the frog is jumping into the water na, so jumps, JUMPS, jumps. So dear kids, what you have to do you have to learn these 2 pages properly from your grammar book.